Hello. Okay, so for week 3, we've got lesson 5 that's talking about adding and subtracting like fractions. Just a really quick review on that, guys. Whenever you have the same denominator, all you have to do is add your two numerators together and then simplify into lowest terms. So that's how you do adding and subtracting like fractions. Just a quick reminder, whenever you're subtracting, that goes back to your rules whenever you're adding and subtracting negative and positive numbers. So you need to remember those rules, okay? If it's the same sign, you add. If it's different signs, you subtract, okay? And then you give it the sign of the larger number. Okay, for lesson number 6. This is adding or subtracting unlike fractions where our denominators are different. So two different methods that I want to talk to you guys about. Method 1 is where you can totally rewrite the fractions with a common denominator. So what we need to do is you need to list out your multiples of each of the denominators that you have. For example, for 3, we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. The multiples of 4 are 4, 8, and 12. We notice that the lowest common multiple that they have together is 12. So that's what we want to use as our lowest common denominator. So whenever you're rewriting your two fractions based on your new denominator, we want to see, okay, well, how many times will 3 go into 12? That's 4 times. So the thing that we do to the denominator is the thing that we do to the numerator. Same thing. So I have to multiply my numerator by 4 as well. That gives us 8. Same thing over here. 4 goes into 12. 3 times 1 is 3. Now, whenever I add those two together, that gives us a total of 11 over 12. Okay? And that is already in lowest terms, so we don't have to do anything to that. Whenever you're looking at method 2, method 2 is a different type of butterfly method, but I'll show you really quickly how to do this. Some of you liked this method, some of you did not like this method. So if you can do method number 2 and you're not confused by it, great, roll with it, okay? But if you're better up here with method 1, stay there, okay? This is not the time to try to learn new ways of doing it, okay? So with the butterfly method, you can go ahead, draw your 2 sets of wings, okay? So what you want to do first is we're going to multiply these two numbers here together, 3 and 4. When you multiply, give you 12, okay? And then we're going to do 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. And already you can probably see some resemblances of what we have up here, okay? This gives us our new fractions, our 2 new fractions. So 8 over 12 added to 3 over 12. Okay? And then you can add or subtract like you would normally do. Okay? I hope that helps you. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay? You can email me or you can call me if you have my phone number.